In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose Notifications and Status Bar. Then you need to scroll to click on Manage All right under Notifications. Then you can tap on any switcher to manage notifications from any app. If you select blue one, all notifications from chosen app will be blocked. To enable them, click on gray switcher. Quick tip though, I always recommend to go back and select any app you are really interested in over here. Not only because you can block or enable notifications here as well, but also because you get access to all of those notification options for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!